Hello student, good morning. Once again I am here before you. Today I welcome you all at this platform. Today I am going to solve the short type questions for class 6 subject science under understanding the text. Here I have written the answer for short type questions. Now let us start the explanation for each questions. So read the first questions of your textbook. Please, one suggestions I delivered for you that you should open your textbook while listening the videos and try to answer the respective questions. You also, after you have written your answers, match your answer with these answers. It is because of you should take more and more advantage. If you practice more, then your fruits will be more sweet. So keep it in mind and proceeds. Now let us read the question first. What is diet? Diet, you all know, everything's eaten by us is called as diet. So I have written here a kind of food that a person, animals or community usually eat is called diet. What is diet? A kinds of foods that a person, animals or community usually eat is called diet. Right? Now, second questions. There are 13 questions. Here I have to explain. So please carefully listen the video and remember the answers and understanding the themes. Now, question number 2, name the types of food which make up a balanced diet. A balanced diet have what kinds of foods? So we should keep it in mind that a balanced diet contains energy giving foods, protective foods and bodybuilding foods. Besides these, it should keep some roughage also. So I have written here food which make up a balanced diet includes energy giving foods, protectives and bodybuilding foods in adequate amounts. It is most important things in a balanced diet. Without it, the food cannot be balanced. So all kinds of foods can be included in appropriate amounts. Otherwise, it may be results of harmful effects. So now let us look the third questions. Why does a teenager need more food than a baby? Why does a teenager needs more food than a baby? Because teenagers consumes more energy, that's why they needs more foods. It's the way we have to answer. They consumes more energy to keep themselves healthy. They do more activities, so they required more energy, that's why they need more foods. Understood? Try to write the answer in your own language. Please, it's my suggestions. Question number 4. What are protective foods? Give 2 examples. Protective foods, that foods eaten by us to protect our body from diseases are called as protective foods. So to protect from diseases, the food that protect us from diseases are called as protective foods. For example, pulse, fruits, etc. are protective foods. Now question number 5. Why does our body needs nutritious foods? Why does our body needs nutritious foods? Because it provides nutrients that help us to get more and more energy, and by the virtue of which we can become healthy. That's why we need nutritious foods. And if we get all these things, then we can protect our body from disease. That's why we have to write here, to protect from diseases we need nutritious foods. Understood? Understand carefully and remember all these answers. Now question number 6. We cannot digest cellulose. Why? Then is it important to include cellulose in our food? Understand the questions. First thing, here we have to answer, we cannot digest cellulose. Why? And the second thing, then is it important to include cellulose in our diet? So I have written here, it added bulk to our foods. That's why it cannot be consumed. That's why it cannot be digested. It add bulk to our foods. And then is it important to include cellulose to our diets? Yes, obviously we should include cellulose in our diets because it helps us to wash out the undigested materials from our body so that we can become healthy. Otherwise we can suffer from diseases. So our intestine uses the fibers to help solid waste pass out the body. Right, these are the answers. Now explain why you should, number A, eat more fruits than vegetables. It has fibers that added bulk to our body, so we should eat more fruits than vegetables. Second, remove most of the fats from meat because it causes obesity. It causes obesity, so we have to remove more fats from meat. If we are carnivorous, then we should keep these things in our mind so that we cannot store more fats in our body. Now, number C, eat less cakes and ice creams. It lays cakes and ice creams. Why? Because it is a junk food. Because it is a junk food. Now, number D, eat fresh fruit. Eat fresh foods, intestine instead of processed food. Because fresh food is more nutritious, so we should eat fresh food. So here the right answer will be fresh food. Right. Now let us the question number 8. Look at the question number 8. Why are animals proteins considered better than plant proteins? Animals proteins are better than plant proteins due to lack of one or more essential proteins. In animals, plant proteins. Why are animal proteins considered better than plant proteins? So plant proteins are considered what? Better. Animals proteins are better because in plant proteins there is lack of one or more essential proteins. You know there are 8 essential proteins, in which in plant proteins there are some essential proteins are absent. That's why it is not better than animals proteins. Right? Understand? Now look at the question number 9. What type of nutrition is found in humans? Write about source of human food. Here I have written about the nutritions and sources from where we obtained it. So and serial number, nutritions and sources. Serial number 1, potato and rice gives us carbohydrate, so it is the sources of carbohydrates. Ghee and butter, it is the source of fats. Milk, meat, fish, it is the sources of proteins. Fruits, it is the sources of vitamins. Salt water, it is the sources of minerals. And roughage, it is the sources of fibers. So in this way we have to write the answers. Now look at the question number 10. Give example of 3 calcium deficiency diseases. Calcium deficiency diseases are rickets, tooth decay, pharyngeal bones. These are the 3 calcium deficiency disease. Now look at the question number 11. Which vitamin is considered in large amount in citrus fruits? Is a water soluble or fat soluble? So vitamin C is contained in large amounts and it is water solubles. It is not fat solubles. You should remember. Now look at the question number 12. Name the important minerals required by the human body. Name the important minerals required by the human body. So important minerals means major minerals. Calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodines are the important minerals. Minerals are of 2 types, major and minors. Right. Now question number 13. What happens to children suffering from an extreme lack of proteins and energy giving foods? Then we can write here, they can suffer from the diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus respectively. If there is extreme lack of proteins and energy giving foods, then if the lack of proteins, then you should remember the kwashiorkor disease, and by the lack of energy giving foods they can suffer from marasmus. So these are the answer written by us for short type questions. You should remember all these things and try to write all the answers again in your own language, so that you can get more and more benefited. Today up to here. Thank you.